service today. 96.9 The Eagle. When we say Jacksonville's classic hits, we play Aerosmith. The Eagles. Tom Petty. Journey. Jacksonville's classic hits of the 70s, 80s, and more. 96.9 The Eagle. Day.
Little girl. Little girl. Little boy. Hey, baby.
A doctor's so-called bedside manner.
Hi.
Where's Mac? Where's Mac? Huh? Where's Mac?
Steve. I'm videoing.
This young doctor has been sent to break some terrible news.
The cancer's migrated further than we had.
Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Say hi.
The final stage of your cancer.
Oh, we want to cry?
We consider it's terminal.
Fortunately, Beverly Reardon doesn't really have cancer. She's one of thousands of amateur actors hired by American Medical
Hi.
Schools to help future doctors improve their bedside manner.
I know it will take my life when I'm ready, when I'm not ready.
Hey, pretty boy.
Today,
Hi, pretty boy.
Wayne Andrews is watching with me through a one-way mirror.
Thank you. I know it's a lot.
She's so good. She's very good. Every med school hires standardized patients. But these days, patient simulations have gone much higher.
Let me see your face. Let's see your face. Look at that face.
Are they robots?
Look at that face.
Robots. They're digitally controlled mannequins
Hi.
that have all sorts of moving parts in them that simulate what humans do in a variety of medical conditions.
Hi.
Tech dummies aren't cheap. They can cost $300,000 each. But they never complain.
Look at that pretty boy.
Every day, to train young doctors.
Look at that pretty boy. He's so pretty. Hi.
Withdraw knee.
Hi.
Find a deep artery. Perform colonoscopy.
Let's see you again. That's a pretty girl. She's a tri. Black, white, and tan. Hi, pretty girl.
Deliver babies.
And then we got our little girl. Come here.
Half of this young mother is fake.
Hi. Hi.
At this point, there's no time.
Hi.
We can do this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh my gosh, should be covered in poop. According to Dean Andrews, these dummies may be soulless machines, but their job is to hone the